Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Today's video is probably going to be one of the most exciting videos I have ever filmed because Urban Decay sent me a package. Urban Decay. They sent me their new Face Bond Triple Power Foundation. So today I'm going to show you what's in the PR box and I'm going to try it out for you. I'll do a little wear test. So if you guys want to hear all about Urban Decay's new foundation, then keep watching. Little backstory. Urban Decay is the first high-end brand I've ever tried. I got their Naked 2 palette for my birthday, and they are a brand I've always wanted to work with. So if you don't know anything about content creation, brands will reach out to you. They'll email you, they'll send you a Google form. That's what happened. There are a lot of scams though. I thought this was a scam until the other day. My dad came up to my room and said I got a box. I opened it and this was inside. I almost started crying. I got this the day after my birthday and I was like, this is one of the best birthday presents I have ever received. I'm also going to keep this box forever because it's just so cool. So this is the inside of the box. We got the new foundation, all-nighter setting spray, which is my all-time favorite, a sponge, and cute little clips to push your hair back. So this is the shade I got. It is 7 Fair and Neutral. I don't know if it's going to be my shade. It looks a tad bit light, but we'll try it out. I'm sure concealer and bronzer will make it work. This is my other Urban Decay foundation that I use. This is the Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. This one is a tad bit darker, so again, we'll give it a try. So there are 40 shades for this foundation, which is crazy, but also really, really great. For reference, this is what 7 is going to look like. I probably could have gone with somewhere over here, but it's really hard to tell online. So there's 3 ways you can apply this. If you want a more full coverage look, you can just use your fingers. Medium coverage, use a brush, and then light coverage, use a sponge. This is a up to 24-hour wear foundation that is waterproof. It says 3% niacinamide, which will help with your skin texture. This is also self-setting, and it has a natural matte finish. Now, I'm not a matte type of girl, but we're gonna try it out. Maybe today I'll become a matte type of girl. And you can get this at Sephora. For my primer, I'm just gonna go in with the Pore Refiner Primer from Dr. Brandt because this is just kind of not a matte kind of primer, but you're not gonna be really able to tell, if it's super dewy or anything. I also feel like this just makes your skin look like your skin but better type of primer because I do wear this alone a lot on the weekends. And for the sake of today's video, I'm going to apply this with my fingers because I just want to try that out. This is what it looks like. I heard that they made a special tip for this. I don't know. We shall see how this goes. I can't see, by the way. I took my glasses off. So whenever I have foundations like this, I just like to apply it like that. I'm really not applying a lot, but let's just rub it in. Quite honestly, the shade match isn't terrible. Patting into the skin makes it look better. I'm leaning really close to the mirror. I don't hate how this is looking on my skin. Could I be doing a better job blending it out? Yeah, I can. The eyelids are so red, so let's see how this covers on my eyelids. Actually, I did a really good job with the shade match. I'm proud of myself. I'm just gonna take a sponge and mist it with some rescue spray. Just to it's just too full coverage right now, but it's very full coverage. Just to also help blend it out a little bit. It does look like a little peaky-ish right here. I do have dry skin, and right now my skin is a little dry because if you live on the East Coast, you know that it's every season in one day here. So my skin's been freaking out and having a little bit of a meltdown. So it is kind of clinging to my dry spot. So I do think I'll really like this for the summertime when my skin isn't dry. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but right here on my eye, it is really clinging. Overall, I think it looks really, really good on my skin. My skin looks really, really good right now. Overall, right now, I really like how it's looking on my skin. It is 12:02 p.m., so I will check in a couple hours or something to let you know how it's looking. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face, add a little bit of bronzer or something, and I'll be back to check in to tell you how I like this. So it's 5:15-ish. I've been wearing the foundation for 5 hours. I think it looks really, really good. The one spot that I don't really have a lot on is my nose because I've been blowing my nose all day because I'm a little chilly and my nose is runny. But other than that, this looks so good on the skin, and it almost like, I don't know if it's my skincare or what today. Just, it's supposed to be matte, but you could kind of see like there's just like a glow from within. I really, really love this foundation. I will check back in before I take it off in about 3-4 more hours. I've had this foundation on for 8 hours. It's like 8:45 now. I really love how this is looking on my skin. It hasn't settled into the little fine lines underneath my eyes. It's so lightweight. I kind of forgot I'm wearing foundation today, honestly. I definitely would recommend this if you guys want to try the Urban Decay Face Bond Foundation. Highly recommend it. It is so comfortable. I really, really like it. I would definitely recommend it to you guys. I'm surprised I like it so much because I was afraid of the matte finish, but I absolutely love this. I only put bronzer on. That's it. Nothing else. I absolutely love this. It'll be linked down below if you guys want to check it out. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much, Urban Decay, for sending me this amazing package. I still can't believe it. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!